Oh, it looks great. Sorry, the moisture is pulling out of that skin and getting all that seasoning, holding on great. So just cut this chicken open and look at all the juice that came out of it. So what we have here is a whole chicken, and we're gonna throw this on the pellet grill. It's opened up. Pat it dry, just a little bit. Up to the side. There we go. Get rinsed off again. Go. Alright, so what we're going to be seasoning with today is the chupacabra cluckalicious. Get this on here. So, and you know what? Let's go ahead and spatchcock this chicken. So what that means is we're going to cut the backbone out so we can lay it flat. Just like that. Dude, I'm going to fold it over, get the layout, and I like to break the breastplate. Get it nice and flat. Just like you're doing CPR. That is beautiful. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pat it down again. Some of that moisture off of it. Just needs a little bit just to get the seasoning to stick, and just be real liberal with it. Go. Go ahead and flip it. All underneath. Smells great. Alright, we're gonna utilize a little rack there. Get it all laid out. Beautiful. Hit it one more time with the seasoning on top. That'll work. Alright, we're gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes. Let the salt that's in the seasoning pull all that moisture out, and then that'll let this bird get to room temp before we stick it on the pellet grill. And I do have the pellet grill at 350 degrees. It's warming up, so as soon as this is set, we'll go ahead and stick it on the pit. So the pit has already reached, it's actually at 360 degrees. I got it set at 350, and I just wanted to come out and check it. Let's go ahead and grab that bird and throw it on the pit. All right, so we got the bird. Oh, it looks great. Sorry, the moisture is pulling out of that skin and getting all that seasoning, holding on great. You don't really need any binder. If you wanted to, you could, but it's really not needed. And I love this little grate right here, this little rack. I actually got this at Dollar General. I'm gonna look up and see if I can find a link to this, but just go in your local Dollar General and you should find them. I think it's like $4 or $5. Alright, I've got it offset away from the fire chamber, and I have the lid closed to the grate so it can't sear, and that produces the most smoke. So we're gonna leave this in here for about 35-45 minutes. We'll come back and check that internal temp. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and check this internal temp. I have turned it and moved it around. I came out here about the 30-minute mark. So right here in the thigh. Oh yeah, 180 right there. That's good. Now we're gonna hit in the middle of this this breast meat. Oh yeah. 160, 166, 167. That is perfect. Go ahead and pull this off. Oh, that looks great. Turn this off. So just cut this chicken open and look at all the juice that came out of it. That breast. What you got going there, son? Slow. You happy? Mm-hmm. Today was a great day. It's nice and cool. So, appreciate y'all hanging out with me. See you on the next one. Oh, baby.